Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by allowing quick access. Enable camera permission in your browser or device settings so Google can capture images. Once done, sign into your Google account to preserve context and personalization. Now, open Google. And tap the small camera icon in the search box. This triggers Google Lens. You're starting the visual search flow. Make sure lighting is good and the subject fills most of the frame because clear input yields better matching results. You now choose how to provide the image, either capture live or upload a photo. If you capture live, center the object and tap to focus. Pinch to zoom if needed, then press the shutter. If you upload, select Files or Photos and pick the clearest image. Once the image appears, crop to isolate the subject. This reduces visual clutter and improves accuracy. After cropping, confirm. Google Lens analyzes shapes, text, and patterns to return relevant results and actions. You'll review results that include similar images, shopping links, extracted text, or contextual knowledge. Tap any result to explore details. If matches are vague, refine by cropping tighter or trying a different angle because more distinctive features help. If Google Lens doesn't load or returns errors, make sure camera permissions are enabled, update your browser or app, and clear cache, then retry. Finally, if results still miss the mark, try a higher resolution photo or better lighting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.